Say, hello, Funda! Come to the front. What's she wearing? A pirate ship. Come next to me. Ready, pirate ship. And I want you to shake. Shake. Oh, it's a shake. Give this young lady a big clap. Well done. Oh. Show everybody how you spin. Good boy, big clap. Well done. I'm going to choose the first person to touch your head. And everybody show me a little kick. Good. And with the other foot. Good. And let's see what the other action is. Good. So we'll get started with my story. Are we ready? I might pack up and go home because that wasn't loud enough. Are we ready? Funda's ready for his party. Are we having a party today? It's aboard a pirate's boat. He can't wait to dance on deck while they are afloat. So we're all going to have a little dance when my song comes on after. They'll dress as pirate crew. Ahoy! They'll even walk and fight. Each person pops aboard and states their name and rank. Coach Kieran, aha! Say, come on, Miss Bo! Slow, neck, keeping you in check. Attention! So what did you like about the assembly we just did? What was your favourite part?
When we had the swords.
The swords? Good. And what was your favourite part? Awesome. So what did you think about the Funda Story assembly? Did you like it?
Yeah.
What did you like about Funda? Tell me.
That you play games.
That you play games, and what else did you like?
The story.
The story. And what were your favourite character in the story?
Funda.
Fundog. Awesome. And what do you like to do at school?
Play football.
Play football. Do you like PE?
Yeah.
Why do you like PE?
Because it's exercise.
Good boy. Excellent. Give your thumbs up like this.